In this video, you'll learn how to change the email address where you receive Wix form submissions. To begin, open the main menu in the Wix editor. This gives you access to the editor functions and site management tools. Next, search for elements in the Add Elements panel to quickly locate the form features you want to modify. Once you're in the Add Elements panel, select the Forms tab to focus on form-related options, making it easier to work with your existing forms. If prompted, choose or upgrade to a Pro plan to unlock advanced form and notification features for your site. From the dashboard, open Pipelines to access detailed management tools for forms and submissions. Now, manage your forms by deleting any unnecessary entries, keeping your contact information organized. Add or customize form fields as needed, such as including a birthday field to collect more specific information from your users. Make sure you're in the Edit tab for the form so you can make any necessary changes to field settings and layout. When adjusting how submissions are handled, select Payment Setup and review each checklist step to ensure everything is set up, including publishing your site if needed. Finally, review and add any payment fields, then navigate to the Settings tab to confirm all submission details and notification emails are correct. You've just learned how to update the submission email for your Wix forms.